Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Voyager Digital Crypto Exchange, and I'm doing a little portfolio review. It's the 1st of January, well, almost the 2nd of January, so earnings have posted. Good deal. So first we got Stormex. Could be a big grower. Bitcoin, we all know the story there. Hanging around 50K. Poised for next year to go to 200. Yeah, 200K. VGX token, interesting coin. Native to the Voyager platform. It's very volatile. It's about $3 right now. USDC, it's earning interest. That's one of the things I like here. Stay tuned towards the end and see how you can capitalize on that. GLM, Golem, alright, interesting one. Hedra, H-bar, okay, so that's had some very big interest in this one. Tell me what you guys think of that one in the comments below. We got VeChain, there's a lot of interest in that one. Alright, I do have some of that here. You can see I don't have huge amounts in any of these. BitTorrent, look at the one all the way here at the bottom, $65 worth. But I got 23,000 tokens. That's one of those 100x coins that could pop off at any time, because it's one of those smaller ones, small market caps. It's a high risk, high reward deal. So if you're looking for a 100x token, BitTorrent might be a place to look. Verge, you can see here, is a pretty low cost as well. Nervous Network, I think I actually did a separate review on that one. And Digibyte, I also hold that at crypto.com in my account. You can see it's not doing that great recently, unfortunately. Hopefully it'll do better. And then Tron. But here's what I really want to show you guys. Now here is the program to take advantage of. You put $100 in, and you get a free $25 if you use this code to join Voyager. Now Voyager does have some issues. Go check out my other video on Voyager. But I do like, if you're investing small amounts, like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, whatever, smaller amounts under 10K, this is a great app to use. Transfers happen instantly, and you get $25 for free. Put $100 in, so it's 25% right off the top. Bam, show me the money. Okay, so here you can see you can earn Voyager Rewards by just having crypto in your account. If you have 20 Polkadot, you can get 12% interest. All right, required monthly is 20 in your account. USDC, you can see I had 100 and change. Well, that change came from the interest that I made, just letting it sit there. 9%, pretty good rate if you have a savings account, not getting anything. Bam, put it in USDC stablecoin and put it in Voyager. 9%, you can't beat it. Matic, 5.25. So if you looked at my other videos, you can see at crypto.com, I'm making 10% at Matic at crypto.com. That's why I don't have any here at Voyager, because they're paying almost double. Now, you can really shop around for these rates. Find the best ones for the best platform. They vary wildly, so maybe I should compile a list of where the best rates are for what token, and that would be helpful for everybody, right? The Voyager token, 7%, pretty good, and it keeps going down. See, here is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, I've been stacking that over at Celsius, and I also have some at Robinhood, but for now, Celsius is still paying higher, so I'm keeping it there. Well, we'll see what happens in the long run. Who knows? They could go to 0, or they could go to 1,000%, like crypto.com VVS was up at 3,000% for a while. But it's down more at a reasonable level now, well, just over 100%. So you can take a look through these if you guys want to take advantage of those. Stay tuned for a minute. Alright, and you can see in general the crypto market is kind of down. Alright, we can look at the change, And you can see the massive drop here in some of the DeFi tokens. A lot of red this month, unfortunately, but we expect this to turn around here real soon. Because this is the year of crypto right here, 2022. Let me know what you guys think. If there are any coins on here you guys want to see reviewed more in depth, there's our old friend, the Doge coin, and the Shiba Inu. Can't beat those. Those are good ones. Alright guys, let me know what you think. There's Polygon. Now see, the Polygon's up 19%. Much of the other ones are down. Luna. Whoa, look at Luna go. That's crazy. Alright, that's good. Sushi Swap up 18% as well. Good deal. Good deal. I like those. So, if I were to be a gambling person, which I am, I'd be potentially looking at some of these cryptos that are down 40%. Quantum, Voyager, SRM maybe. Look around. That's actually a pretty good token, pretty good currency. I don't know. Take a look at that one if you want. Golem, you can see it's 45 cents. A lot of upside potential there, potentially. Digibyte, like I said in crypto.com reviews for Digibyte, right? A lot of upside potential. It is a sub 5 cent right now, and that thing could be going to a quarter. A lot of upside potential. 10x potentially. Pretty cool. Go check it out. Do your own research. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. I think we're doing a massive, right there, look at ADA, massive bull run plan. Alright. That's kind of like I like about this Voyager, right? They got these ticker symbol top news going across the top. That is really kind of cool. Yeah, man, I like it. Alright, so if you guys like Voyager, go check it out. Download the app, open an account, like I said before, and get some free money out of it. Use my code early in the video or down below. Alright, that's all I have for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.